Our pie dough has been in the fridge for at least half an hour, 45 minutes. The crumb topping that my daughter helped me make, actually I wasn't thinking because I was paying attention to my cat. The butter should be at room temperature, so when you squeeze it, it will make it crummier, okay? So we don't want to see big pieces of butter in the crumb topping like we wanted to see with the dough. So you're gonna put some flour down on the bench, or wherever you're working, actually, your table, because you don't want it to stick. You're gonna open up your pie dough that you had wrapped up, and then you're gonna put it on here. I have my pie pan. It's a 10-inch pie pan. Okay, I measured that to see, which is about 8 ounces of dough you would need. So this is actually about 14 ounces of dough. So you should have plenty of dough no matter what size your pie pan is. Actually, I'm gonna keep more flour. I'm gonna put flour on top because we don't want it to stick. And you wanna put even pressure, and you wanna roll out your dough going in all directions. You wanna try to keep it as round as you can. And can you see the butter still in there? It's gonna make for a really flaky dough. So if this was really a top crust, you would actually see a really nice flaky crust. We're using it on the bottom. For our bottom crust, I'm just gonna keep pushing it back together. So I definitely want to make sure, oh, it's sticking, that I have enough flour underneath. That butter is going to start melting and it's going to want to stick. There we go. My daughter had other things to do, so actually I was just afraid of her rolling this out for me because I knew it was going to come apart a little bit. So when you make yours, you may want to add more water than I added to it. It will come together a little bit better. I'm just going to kind of put pieces in other places. It will work. Trust me, it will work. So we want to keep rolling it, and we want to make sure it's bigger than our pie dish. And it's going to go up the sides of the pie dish, so I definitely have to make sure it's big enough.